Hey my friends, this is Daniel, Aldie, and today I want to share with you 5 secrets that every successful person knows. So listen up. The first secret is that talent will grow. Every successful person knows that they have a natural talent, but it's how they use it that will determine where they go in life. You can become unstoppable once you realize what your talent really is and how you can use it to serve other people in the world in which you live. Once you figure out what your talent is, you have to learn exactly how to grow them. For me personally, I know that there's 3 things that I'm exceptionally talented at, and I work on those 3 things every single day, and that has allowed me to become the person I am today. What is your talent and what were you born to do? Try to find a way to do it for at least 4 hours every single day of your life, and it will take you to places you never even knew you can go. The second secret that all successful people know is that opportunities come often. They know that even if they miss one opportunity, another one is coming right along their path. Now there's a lot of people that think they miss so many opportunities. They say to themselves, well, if I was from that generation before, or if I lived in that different country, I would be a completely different person. But who says that you don't have it right here and right now? You have as many opportunities as you need in order to succeed. Now, even if you don't know which opportunities to pursue, you need to work on the opportunities you have right now. So when you wake up in the morning, try to become the best student you could be. Try to become the best worker you can be, the best family member, the best friend, the best neighbor. Do the best you can with what you have. If you take care of this opportunity right in front of you, the opportunity that you want will be right along your path. The third secret that all successful people know is that chaos happens. That's right, every 30 to 60 days, something catastrophic will happen in your life. On an average of 45 days, something will happen, but you have to know how to deal with it. It doesn't mean that you will be hurt and that you can't survive it. What it does mean is that you need to be prepared and you need to embrace it and learn from the opportunities that will be presented from it. Remember, life is just a game, and the universe is going to throw things in your way to see how you handle it, to see if you're willing to learn from it and grow from it and become the person that you were meant to be. Every person, whether they're a failure or a success, has to deal with chaos. So you might as well learn how to deal with it and conquer them so you can learn how to become a successful person for the rest of your life. The fourth secret that all successful people know is that you will stretch beyond others. That's right. In your occupation, in your school, in your home, in your neighbors, no matter where you go, you're going to be able to expand further than the people that you are surrounded by when you become successful. Sometimes it's tough to leave people behind, to watch them become jealous and bitter and to hate on you, but that's part of the game. That's part of becoming successful, and you have to be strong and bold in order to leave these people behind. Sometimes you'll look back and you'll say, wow, I can't believe I used to hang out with those people. I can't believe I used to go to those places. I can't believe I used to do those things. But that's the goal. You have to stretch further and faster so you can become a greater person. And when you stretch, you, my friend, will be tested and you will leave some marks in this world. The fifth secret that all successful people know is that they always need to be learning. What makes you think that you don't have 2 hours a day to study? Most people will give you the excuse that they don't have time or they don't have resources or that they're too busy. But really, learning has to become a priority in your life. Remember, the world doesn't need excuses. It needs execution. It needs solutions. It needs examples. So always be learning and apply yourself so you can become a greater person in the end. If you want to learn how to become a better person, continue watching my videos, continue reading my articles, follow me on all my social media, and definitely join the School of Wealth. The School of Wealth is a powerful instrument, and we do coaching calls, we do interactive content, we do some amazing things. So please check the description below for a 50% discount. I would love to have you in the School of Wealth. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. Now that I've given you 5 secrets every successful person knows, make sure you share this video with others, comment on the section below, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.